Ho ho ho, hikers and backpackers, this is Doug, Backcountry Pilgrim. It is time to announce the second winner of the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Now, like I said in yesterday's video, keep in mind that now the prizes have been upped to a $35 gift certificate from Hilltop Packs, courtesy of Hooks and Hammocks. I hope you will check both of their channels out, subscribe, give their videos a bunch of likes and comments, and thank them for the generous offer. So today I'm going to pick the second winner of the Vaunt Spark headlamp and the gift certificate, again using science. Second winner coming right up. What does science say? Randall Kaiser. All right, we have our winners. All right, now I just need you to email me at backcountrypilgrim@gmail.com with your mailing address so that I can send that to Vaunt, and then I will email you your $35 Hilltop Packs gift certificate, courtesy of Hilltop Packs and Hooks and Hammocks. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Until next time, I'm Doug. This is Backcountry Pilgrim. Take it easy.